What's up everyone, Filmoments here. In this video, I'll show you how to limit your profile to people over 18 and above on TikTok. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. So if you think that your contents are suitable only for people ages 18 and above, then let me show you how to turn on these settings to limit your viewers to 18 and above only. Now first on your TikTok app, click on your profile at the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines at the upper right corner. After that, at the bottom, click on Settings and Privacy. From here, scroll down until you see Audience Controls. Now in here, you can limit your profile. Your future videos and live videos are limited to those 18 and above only. You won't be able to change these for individual content. So if your videos are for ages 18 and above only, go ahead and enable these settings. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.